Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best touch screen dash cam. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Blue Avido. Blue Avido GPS navigation has lane assist with junction view that displays upcoming junctions and uses brightly colored arrows to indicate your proper lane and easily navigate complex interchanges. The device keeps your driving map on screen at all times and additional information appears alongside. For details, simply ask or touch the screen. As you drive your route, up ahead constantly informs you of nearby services, including fuel stations, hospitals. Track the location of your car, remotely capture what happened to your car from anywhere in the world. View images and watch video clips of your car with app on your smartphone once you are connected to the internet. This car DVR has 2 cameras that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. Number 4. Brand name, Asdome. Mirror dash cam with a 10-inch full view touchscreen provides crystal image without any delay. Very clear and smooth images display as like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror. Advanced driver assistance system with forward collision warning or collision avoidance. The sensors can sense the proximity of vehicles or other obstructions ahead, such as animals, pedestrians or roadway obstructions. However, if the system determines that you are drifting, it sounds a specific alarm so that you can take corrective actions. The Asdome mirror dash cam uses strong light suppression and a HD technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. Ever incredible user experience. Number 3. Brand name, EACE. With high-sensitivity GPS module, offer more accurate location when use offline GPS navigation. Thanks to 4G SIM card and built-in Wi-Fi, no matter where you are driving, you will enjoy the fun from internet surfing. Make it possible for online navigation or music or movie etc. Use online map to make intelligent navigation. Avoid busy traffic. Enjoy movie and music for driving. Have more fun. The quad-core 1.5 GHz high-performance processor incorporates Android 8.1 smart systems, plus it built-in RAM 2GB ROM 16GB. It makes D13 operating more smoothly and achieve multiple functions. It makes the car DVR runs more quickly. You can download any app from Google Play Store. With our unique remote monitor mobile app Car Assist and internet connection, it allows you to remote monitor your car driving path and what happened around your car. No matter where you are, remote capture what happened to your car. Your car driving path will be recorded and real-time playback on Car Assist app. One key to capture TENS video on Car Assist app via Wi-Fi connection. 720 pixels photo and TENS video alarm will be shortly sent to your mobile if a car collision occurs. The DVR is only compatible with cars that have a 12-volt power supply. Number 2. Brand name, Janzite. 2.5K mirror dash cam front and rear 10-inch dash cam car camera night vision backup camera 1080 pixels FHD full touch screen car recorder, loop recording parking assistance. Dual mirror dash cams provide with Ultra HD video resolution up to 2560 into 1440 pixels. Offer you much clearer footage capturing license plates from a distance. 170 degrees adjustable front lens and 140 degrees rear lens field of view to reduce blind area and capture more scenes on the road. 24-hour parking monitoring, 1 frame per second recording mode, safer parking. Car camera HD 1080 pixels video recording, the high demand in the TF card. In order to ensure the normal use of the DVR, you need a TF card with a high read and write speed. Loop recording allows continuous recording even if the memory card reaches full capacity. G-sensor detects a sudden collision and locks the collision footage. Parking monitor functions as a surveillance camera system while the vehicle is off. Number 1. Brand name, OBD Peak. The OBD Peak Mirror Dash Cam uses strong light suppression and a HD technology to provide very clear and soft images for drivers at night. It can capture more details whether at night or during the day. Front camera, adopted Sony Starvis IMX415, captures native 4K UHD footage with stunning details than ever. License plates in distance that are unreadable in 1080 pixels or other resolutions are very crisp in 4K video. The app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to view and download HD videos in real time through the dashcam's Wi-Fi. It also locks emergency videos to the event file to prevent an overwrite. Monitors and displays real-time trip data including time, speed and coordinates. Tracks the exact location of an accident if one should occur, crucial for roadside assistance and insurance claims.